Hello there guys, welcome to Dinos World. Today I reviewed the sensational Hyundai Venue, the subcompact SUV coming from the house of Hyundai, and today I review the 1 litre turbocharged petrol. So let me start by giving you guys a quick overview of the car. The Venue was first showcased as the Carlino concept at the 2016 Auto Expo, and ever since the entire brigade of loyal Hyundai fanboys across our nation have been eagerly waiting for the subcompact SUV, and let me tell you, it is indeed worth the wait. Each time Hyundai launches a car, it's like an Avengers movie releasing which has been directed by the Russo brothers. You just know it's going to be super awesome and records are going to be smashed all over. So is the Hyundai Venue yet another blockbuster? Does it live up to all the hype? Can it become the new benchmark in its segment? Let's find out. The Venue has been built based on an advanced version of the K1 platform. It is lightweight, rigid, and offers better safety overall. The chassis structure is built using advanced high-strength steel, thereby making it rock solid in terms of durability and high-speed stability. Looking at the exterior design, the car looks striking and dominating from the front thanks to the massive front grille, the high-mounted turn indicator lamps, and the neatly integrated twin headlamp setup with a projector lamp and LED DRL surrounds really lend the car a unique persona of its own. Moving on to the profile, we get 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels that take center stage here. They look absolutely gorgeous when the car is on the move. Further enhancing the premium look are the chrome door handles. The powerful character lines running across the bodywork along with the flared wheel arches and the sporty roof rails underscore its SUV character. At the back, I love the way the tail lamp cluster lights up. Also, the Venue badging looks neatly laid out. The rear bumper is perfectly sculpted and we do get skid plates up front as well as at the back to lend the car a rugged look. The shark fin antenna enhances the premium feel, and then of course we also get a sunroof that adds on to the overall excitement that this car already has on offer. Moving in, we get all black interiors in this variant, but I believe we get 3 different interior themes to choose from based on the variant you choose to go with. The aircon vents with brushed silver highlights look neatly put together. The dash is made up of soft touch material to offer an upmarket feel, and the steering also comes perfectly wrapped to offer a good feel as you hold it. The speedo console lights up beautifully, and the MID offers all the info we hope for, like distance to empty, average fuel economy, etc. Then we have the star of the show, the 8.4-inch HD touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, and features the revolutionary BlueLink connectivity. Hyundai launches their connected car initiative with their BlueLink app, which is triggered by an inbuilt eSIM card powered by Idea Vodafone. Once activated, this app allows you to start the car and even turn on the AC via the app. And please note that this feature is only available for the Petrol DCT variant as of now. Other features include being able to send an auto SOS in case of a crash, directly avail roadside assistance, voice assist dialing, satellite-based navigation, stolen vehicle tracking, immobilization, and a whole lot more. Please note that this service would be free for the first 3 years of ownership and would be chargeable thereafter. Moving on to the back, I would say there is decent room on offer, just about enough to feel comfortable. Headroom is adequate, but legroom could have been slightly better. But after all, it's a sub 4 meter SUV and Hyundai had to balance things out in terms of space. Other noteworthy features include smart key with engine start-stop system, automatic climate control with dedicated rear AC vents, wireless phone charger, air purifier, tilt steering, cruise control, etc. The music system features Archimist sound mode and we get 4 speakers and 2 tweeters all around. The sound is truly immersive and the bass is really good. Talking about storage, we get a cool glove box, concealed storage under the front central armrest, which is a sliding armrest. We also get bottle holders on all four doors, which is amazing. Boot space is 350 liters and this can be further expanded by folding flat the 60-40 split seats. Now talking about safety, Hyundai are offering dual airbags and ABS with EBD as standard right from the base variant, which is really commendable. We also get side and curtain airbags as an addition. We then also have electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, hill assist control, rear parking sensors and a rear parking camera with dynamic guidelines and a whole lot more. Now talking about the engine options, we get three engines to choose from. First we have the 1.2 liter petrol that puts out 83 PS of max power and 115 Newton meters of max torque. Now this variant gets a 5-speed manual transmission. Then we have the 1.4 liter diesel that puts out 90 PS of max power and 220 Newton meters of max torque. Now this variant gets a 6-speed manual transmission. We don't get a diesel automatic on offer as of now. Then we have the star of the show, the 1 liter turbocharged petrol that puts out 120 PS of max power and 172 Newton meters of max torque. And please note that all the torque is available from as low as 1500 RPM, which means there is no lag whatsoever, and this is what makes it an absolute firecracker. Now this turbocharged petrol variant gets two transmission options. One is the 6-speed manual and the other is the 7-speed DCT automatic, wherein DCT stands for dual clutch transmission. Now please note that I've done a separate Dinopedia video explaining about the differences between the AMT, the CVT and DSG or DCT gearboxes as to how they work and what kind of advantages they have on offer. I'm leaving a link to that video in the description portion below, and I highly recommend that you watch that video to understand how the DCT tech works. The actual showstopper though is the price. The venue starts from just rupees 6.5 lakhs ex-showroom for the base variant and goes all the way up to 11.1 lakhs for the top spec petrol DCT model. At this price, I won't be surprised if the venue clocks a record number of bookings in recent times. Now I guess it's time to go ahead and check out my first drive reaction of the 1 liter turbocharged petrol variant. My review of the diesel variant will also be uploaded right after this video, so please be sure to check that out as well. For now, let's check out how the turbocharged petrol variant feels like to drive. So guys, I just wanted to stop by and start all over because I wanted to get a hang of the car. So this is the DCT, the dual clutch transmission. We have a manual mode as well. I believe we need to tap it to the left. Okay, this is the manual mode. Tap it to the right. This is the regular drive mode, automatic transmission mode. So first we'll drive it in the automatic mode. So let's see how the gear changes happen. So there's a creep function. We have the hill climb assist, so the car does take a head start. It's really cool. So second gear, step on the gas. Oh, it held the gear up to 4000 RPM. Then the third, fourth, fifth. Now in the sixth gear. Remember, this is a 7-speed automatic, so we are in the 7th gear now, and we've already received a speed warning. Like that happens, maybe that's something they've added or programmed into the vehicle. So that comes up at around 80 to 85 kilometers per hour. But more than that, you can see that the gear changes happen seamlessly. There's hardly anything that you can feel, and you have the acceleration, you have the energy that you need to perform those quick overtakes even while using the automatic transmission. So that's a good thing. It shifts down immediately and gives you that extra bit of thrust that you need to perform those quick overtakes. Guess what? There's a Creta that's chasing us, and we have a Brezza right in front of us. It's like two rivals battling it out. Looks like the Brezza guy has spotted the venue, is trying to get away. So let's see if we can overtake this guy.
Its sound was amazing as well. For a moment I thought I was in a sports car. The engine just roars. Oh my god. That's phenomenal. Just revs all the way up to 5000 rpm, and it almost feels like you turn on the nitrogen while playing Asphalt Airborne. Guess we arrived to the spot where we can just have a bit of fun. Just need to take a ride. And the best part about the DCT is it is a dual clutch transmission, which means you have two clutches and two gearboxes working in tandem, wherein when one gear is engaged, you have, the system detects the speed, your driving style, and it keeps the next gear ready to be engaged, such that depending on whether you want to shift down or shift up, and it's almost like it tries to predict your driving style and tries to assist you with that. So now we have some sharp corners ahead. You can see that the body roll is extremely well controlled here. Whoa, seriously impressive for a compact SUV, I'd like to say. So the brakes are brilliant, the suspension tuning is absolutely spot on, the chassis orientation is perfectly done, the gearbox works seamlessly, the engine is super refined, you have all the features that you can think of. The cabin has a premium feel to it, so we can't just ask for more. The NVH levels are perfectly controlled. The seats are nice and comfortable, support your lumbar section really well. So let me just try and do a braking test here, taking it up to 80 kilometers per hour and slam on the brakes. Oh my god, that was insane. But apart from that, the kind of fun this car has on offer is amazing, and the convenience factor is to be double underscored, because a DCT is absolutely divine. It just offers a completely fatigue-free driving experience in the chock-a-block city traffic, and if you drive a car day in and day out in the city conditions, then this has to be the car of choice for you, because it offers a completely fatigue-free driving experience. You don't feel the tiresomeness of having to shift the gearbox, press the clutch and get yourself leg workout while caught in the city traffic. So this is a game-changing launch. I really hope they try and offer a automatic variant for the diesel as well, but a petrol DCT, the 1 litre turbocharged petrol, works flawlessly. It puts out 120 PS of max power and 172 Newton meters of max torque. The torque kicks in really early, and that makes a whole lot of difference. Gives you a really engaging driving experience, something that puts a smile on your face almost instantly, or almost every time you step on the gas. Just look at this. Oh ho ho, look at it shift, man. Shifting at 6000 rpm. Woohoo! The gear shifting is so precise and so intense, it almost gives you the feel of you driving a sports car. Whoever has done this job for Hyundai needs to be rewarded. Just look at this, guys. We have one more stretch. Float the pedal. Woohoo! 6000 rpm, baby. Oh my god. Perfect gear shifts. Need to be watchful. Oh my god. This is joy unending. It is so good. So happy that Hyundai have gotten the formula bang on for the enthusiasts. If you're an enthusiast, then this is the car for you. It just puts a smile on your face every time you put the pedal to the metal, and the brakes are brilliant. The suspension is ideally tuned to let you have all the fun that you would want to, and everything else is just bang on. The comfort factor is on another level, with the cabin cooling being the best in class. The refinement is great. There's hardly any noise creeping through. You have adequate amount of torque, adequate amount of power to play with, and it is a great package, bringing power, blending in power and economy together in perfect proportions. And I believe Hyundai have yet another blockbuster and yet another benchmark, I can say, in this segment, at least in this petrol DCT variant. This is the new benchmark when it comes to the enthusiasts' delight. What a car! Really impressive, and the pricing is the icing on the cake. Absolute firecracker of a price. No one expected it to be priced so aggressively. I won't be surprised if the waiting list for this car runs into months within a few days time, because this car is that good. Now let's check out the manual gearbox. Shift it into manual. First gear. Yes. Can it hold? Okay. It holds the gear longer. And this is equally good as well. So just in case you are more of a person who loves to do the manual shifts yourself, then you have the option to go with the manual, and the shifting is also nice and effortless. All you need to do is tap up to shift up, or tap down to shift down. So that's as easy as it gets. Can we do it on the fly? So let's try and do that, switching from manual to automatic right now, and here we are. So this is what the Venue is all about. It's fast, it's engaging, it's intense, it's fun, and it's very well built, and you get all of this at a very affordable price. So that, I believe, is what makes this an instant blockbuster. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, this is Dino saying ciao. Thanks for watching. Take care, God bless, and drive safe.